Cool. So I'll just kind of sit here and then we'll just have a chat.
All right.
Cool. So tell us a little bit about yourself before meeting Infinite Wealth.
Yeah, so working away, I was always good at saving and everything like that, but never knew really where to put my money. So yeah, I was kind of struggling with my future and where I see myself going.
So what did your financial future look like?
I suppose never really going anywhere. Just with my own concerns and things I'd tried to teach myself and got burnt in the past. Didn't look great, to be honest. Yeah.
Yeah, fair enough. So what changed when you met Tim and the team at Infinite Wealth?
The knowledge I gained was awesome. Everything I was saying, I kind of heard before, but when he spoke and actually put it into context and gave examples and things like that, it just was like yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah,
So,
he's a good speaker. He
yeah.
makes absorbing information
He does.
quite easy. Hey?
Yes,
Yeah.
and putting it into like the person's perspective, and they may be in different circumstances in their
Yeah.
life, so
Yeah.
it's great.
Yeah, cool. So what has been your experience with Infinite Wealth since becoming a client?
It's been great. Everyone's so helpful. Anytime I've needed them, just they've been there. So yeah,
Yeah.
great.
Cool. So what does your financial future look like now?
Oh, hopefully really good. Suppose we won't know till the future, but I suppose it's on the right path, and
Yeah.
I can see it being on the right track.
Yeah, cool. No worries. So would you recommend Infinite Wealth to your friends and family? And if yes, why?
Yeah, so I was recommended by a good friend of mine. I've recommended them to other family members, just to help out their financial situations and how they were kind of dealing with things
Yeah.
that I've learnt to do it other ways, and I think they could hugely benefit from it.
Cool. Need to get Shirley and Brett down.
Yeah,